Hello, I'm Hanna, and today I'm going to talk about how to train in the pre-season.
It's heavy. Famous love. Yeah, I gotta keep it trendy on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go, down the rabbit hole. Got a couple carrots around my neck. Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear me though. Cycles going round and round and round.
Make sure you have enough base endurance to conquer a whole season of racing. To build up the base endurance, try to go for some indoor cycling, swimming, running in the cold, whatever you prefer. It helps you to go throughout the whole season of racing. And don't start too late with interval training for the fast and consistent power you need during the race. Try to make a good mix of short and long intervals to maintain the power. For the longer threshold intervals, you go with 70 to 80% of your power. And for the short explosive one, you go for 100%. Never skip gym. Try to find out your disbalances and compensate them with exercises. Weight training is not only important for your strength, but also for preventing injuries. Enduro racing is a pretty intense sport for the whole body. So find yourself some exercises that fits good for you. Heavy weight training, but also stabilization, reaction and balancing. For example, like box jumps or TRX, or like super heavy deadlifts and squats. And don't forget to stretch and work on your mobilization. And if you don't have a bike yet, check out Bikeflip. Have fun, and I wish you good luck for the season.
Bikeflip, the bicycle marketplace.